doesn't love a warm chocolate chip cookie? This classic treat is composed of rich yet basic and affordable ingredients. Today, I am going to make simple, buttery, and chewy chocolate chip cookies. This is my sister's recipe because she bakes. Actually, my sisters bake, so I kinda bake. Anyway, these are the ingredients. They are also in the description box, and if you want to follow this recipe, watch until the end of the video. This is our chocolate mixture. Save this for later. Then we make our flour mixture. Measure dry ingredients into a bowl. We have bread flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix well. Set aside the mixture for later. Next, we are making our butter mixture. Cream together butter at room temperature with brown sugar and white sugar. Push the ingredients together so that everything will be incorporated. The consistency of our butter mixture should look nice and brown. Then we add in 1 whole egg, 1 egg yolk, both at room temperature, sorry about that, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix together well until you are satisfied with the consistency. Next, we are going to add in our flour mixture to the butter mixture. Add it gradually, maybe in 2 parts, so that we are not going to have a hard time mixing them. And once it's mostly incorporated, we put in the rest, and we are going to combine using our spatula. Make sure you don't see traces of flour so that we can go in with our chocolate mixture. Please do not overmix. Put this in the fridge for 40 minutes to an hour or maybe longer. Preheat oven to 150 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, let's scoop spoonfuls of dough and roll using your hands. Baking gets messy sometimes. I am placing them on Teflon sheet. You can also use parchment paper, silicone sheet, and whatever you have. Bake for 12 to 14 minutes. I am checking my cookies after 5 minutes because based on experience, this oven is unreliable. I'm checking on how brown they've become. I noticed that the back ones started to brown before the front ones, so I am rotating the pan for the remaining minutes. And it's done. I know, it's lovely. Put in our other tray. With this recipe, I made 3 trays with 6 dough balls each, so I have 18 cookies in total. This is best paired with ice cold milk. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed making this video. I hope you did too. You can give it a like, share this recipe to your friends, and of course, do not forget to subscribe. Have a great day and see you soon.